What's going on, traders and gangbangers? We are back with another SPY pre-market analysis video. Yesterday we did end up taking a loss we shouldn't have, but it's okay. We're back again today, ready to attack the markets. Looking to end the month on a positive note. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the analysis. Starting out here on the daily, not much has changed. All of our levels are still pretty much the same on here, so we're going to go ahead and drop straight down to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we do get a little bit more action as pre-market. We have gone ahead and gapped up here, and this zone looks to be playing. This zone looks to be playing a key. You know what I'm saying? This zone seems to be a key area right here, right? So we gapped up straight into it, got bought up above, sold a little bit right here, and then this candle once again did kind of gap up, but from this candle. These are 4 hour candles, by the way, and then was sold down right into this gap, or right into this zone. And as you see, once we got sold into this zone, buyers bought it right back up. So we are going to be watching this gap today. Just extend this over just for the day. It is Friday after today. Everything on the chart's getting cleaned anyway. So we're going to zoom out a little bit, see where we have potential action, where price can go. First of all, I see it's right here, this candle high. We do have these two bearish candles here. Both of these are bearish candles. We do have these two bearish candles here. We can use the close of this candle. We can extend this over. Once again, just for today. After today, none of this really matters. We'll make this darker. This is gonna be the first level we watch. See if price can get above. If price can get above that, the next area we're going to be watching is up here at about 43 or 4. What is it? Hold on, give me a moment and I'll tell you guys exactly what it is. 443.17. Around there is going to be the next. Okay, like I was saying, 443.17 is going to be the next area of price we're going to be watching. We're going to lock that in place. Darken it a little bit. Quite a bit. First thing price has to do is get above here at 441.48. If we can get above there, we'll be looking for it to go to 443.17, 443.15, that area there. We do also have this little area where sellers were once present. As you can see, two bullish candles here. This one was really bullish up until we got right here, and once we got here, we did sell off a bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a trend line, and I'm just going to pull this over like so. We'll make this a dotted line and darken it up. Boom. Like so. We are then going to mark our pre-market high and low. Well, we really don't even have to mark the pre-market high. Pre-market high is right here, right? Pretty close to this level. But fuck it, we'll do it anyway. Ow. So the sun just scratched. Boom, like so. Like so. Make it dark. Lock it in place. Our pre-market lows are at this low zone. We're not even gonna mark the lows because the lows are right here in this zone. Now, say price does get below. First place we're gonna be looking for price to go is to this line here. If we get below the zone, we'll be looking for price to come here. And if price gets below there, we'll be looking for price to move towards the bottom of the zone. Oops, gotta unlock it. Move towards the bottom of the zone there. Go ahead and make all these darker, just so they're very, very apparent. And then by some miracle, say we drop from all the way up here, all the way down here, the last place we'll be looking for price to go to, you know, I'd say is right here. We're gonna make this a rectangle. We're gonna use this candle, close. We're just gonna pull this over like so. And you may be wondering why do I do that? Why do I use this candle specifically? Well, I see price wicked right here. And where did it wick to? It wicked to the bottom of the here. And this right here just so happens to line up with this candle open here. So I use this candle here as the last little zone / price target for the downside. And we can go ahead and drop down to the 1 hour, see how everything looks, see how we fare up with that. If you pay attention, this zone that I drew, we come here, we bounce off this resistance. This is treated as resistance here. We get knocked down right past this zone here, right below. We then get bought right back up into it hard. There were sellers here, or not sellers, there were buyers here. We then bounced once again at this line. This was resistance. Right down in here. Once again, right down in here. A lot of buyers. As you see, price got here, buyers. Price here, buyers. Price here, buyers. And once we left this last time, we kind of tried to come back down, but we weren't able to. And then right here, once we got above this resistance level, we gapped up. And here we are now. I'm going to move this over so it's more representative of pre-market action. Like so. And right now, this is looking good. This is looking good. We do have a bunch of action that just happened here. So we could also draw this right here. We're not gonna pay too much mind to it. We'll make it a little bit darker just so we can see a little bit better. Let's drop down to the 30-minute. Drop down to 15. I don't think there's any point in really dropping down any further than that. Anyway, these are gonna be levels and zones we're gonna be watching today for SPY. Right here. Once again, boom, there we go. You can see them all. We've got our upside targets and our downside targets. Price has to get above pre-market high, and once it does, we have to get above this 441.47, so more like 441.50ish level. Above 441.50, we got 442.29, and above that, we've got 443.13. And then for the downside, we got to get below 440.26, so probably 440.25. And below that, you know, we've got top of this zone here, which we really should extend over. So I'm gonna do that. Go out on the 4 hour and do that. You may be wondering why do I have to extend this, or why should I extend this? Well, because this was our daily gap, and there's probably people still watching the daily gap as, you know, relative price. So I would not be surprised if price were, oh fuck, I did not like that in place. It's okay. But I would not be surprised if people were watching the daily gap as, you know, potential area where price may bounce, or potential area, you know, a potential area to buy. I would not be surprised if there were active buyers there. So we just want to have that on our chart just in case. And like I said, these are going to be the levels and zones we're going to be watching today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow, retweet for more. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.